Bear. Sammy, how old are you?
2.
What? How old are you? 2? Did you say 2?
Bear.
Grapes. Did you eat your grapes?
Wawa.
You want Wawa? Sammy, how old are you?
0.
2, you're 1. How old are you?
2.
2. Like everybody else trying to grow up too fast. Sammy, can you say I love you?
Hi.
I love, that's right. How about what does a cow say?
Ew.
Yes, what does a sheep say?
Ba.
What's a doggy say?
Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop.
What's a rooster say? That's right. What's a kitty cat say?
Moo.
That's right. What's a ducky say?
Da, da, da.
What's a birdie say? You're so smart. That's right. Whistle. And he flaps his wings. That's right. What's a horsey say? That's right. You're a smart girl. No, what's a fly say? That's right. And who's this?
Mommy.
Who's this?
Mommy.
Mammy? All right. Say bye-bye.
Daddy.